Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Skill 247 Avenue. This is our second lesson on Microsoft PowerPoint. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to create a presentation and how to save that particular presentation. After that, we'll go ahead and look at how to work with the slides. Let's get started. I will come to my taskbar and start my PowerPoint application. So here I have the option of starting a blank presentation, or I can choose a template. In the course of this video, we'll come back and explore the template. So let's choose a blank presentation for now. So we are here in the Microsoft PowerPoint interface. And the first thing I want us to do is save our presentation. The reason why you have to save your work early is that it helps you prevent the loss of information as you progress with your presentation. So I will go ahead and go to the file menu and then save my work by using the save as option. Someone will ask, why are we not using the save option, but we are rather using the save as option? The save as option is used for saving a completely new work or a completely new presentation, while the save is used for saving an existing work. So let me go ahead and click on save as. So this is what I have here. It is giving me the option to save it on OneDrive or save it on my PC. I don't want to save it on my OneDrive, so I will select this PC. I will then come here and click on browse. So I have the save as dialog box here. So in the file name field, it is giving me the opportunity to change the name of my presentation from the default name, which is presentation 1, to any name I want. So I will go ahead and type the name of my presentation. I want to give it the name my first presentation. So after typing the name, it is very important to give your work the location where you want it to be saved. So I want to save mine on the desktop. As you can see, documents has been selected here. That means if you save it, the work will go to documents, but I don't want my work to go to documents. So I will choose desktop, and then I will come here and click on save to save my work. So here we are. Now, as you can see, my work has been saved to my first presentation. It has replaced the presentation 1 here. So this is how you save your presentation. Let's come back to the file menu and explore some templates. So I'm currently in the file menu. I will click on new. When I click on new, it is giving me the option of choosing a blank presentation or a new presentation, and it also presents me with some templates. As you can see, this is a business template, and then this is a template called organic templates. We have other templates here which you can choose, or you can come to the search bar here and search online for some online templates. That is if you are connected to the internet. I'm connected to the internet, so I'm going to type education there and search for some templates that are related to education. So I'll come here and click on search. So here we are. We have some templates that have to do with education. So you can select any template you want. Let's go ahead and select this one. It kind of looks nice, so I'll go ahead and select it. See how nice it looks. It looks very nice. So if you have this template here, you can simply come here, select it, and then edit it and put your title there. So you can also come here, click on it, clean it, and then enter your text. You can enter some images here as well if you want. Now let's go back to our saved presentation, which is my first presentation. So I'll come to open. So it is here. I'll go back and click on it. So the next thing I want us to talk about is the themes. So I will come here to design. So you can see some themes here. So let me hover my mouse pointer on it. You will see that it will be selecting some of the themes for me. So it's selecting some of the themes for me. You can see that it is selecting some themes for me. So let's come back and select this theme. So I'll select this one. Now look at our presentation or our slide. See how nice it is after choosing the theme. So let's come back here. Let's come down here at the slide pane and talk about the slides. So I want us to insert some slides here, some new slides. So I will go to home and then come here and select new slide. So see what I have here. In my slide pane, another slide has been inserted. If you don't want to use the new slide feature in the home tab, you can come on this slide, the second slide, right click on it, and then select the new slide option. See what has happened. It is adding another slide. Let's do it again. Right click, come here, select new slide. So we now have 4 slides in our work or in our presentation. So let's go and look at some of the layouts you can use in PowerPoint presentation. So for instance, this is the first slide. I've selected it. If I want to change the layout for this slide, I'll just come here, click on layout. So we have different options we can choose from here. So the fact that this is the first slide, I'll go ahead and select the title slide. So see how it looks like. You can come here and select and type the title of whatever presentation you are doing. So let's say you are making a presentation on your business plan. You can just come here and type business plan. So when you come to the next slide, you can also come to the layout and select a layout for it. Let's choose this one for the second slide. See how the second slide looks like after selecting that particular layout for it. Now let's look at how we can make a duplicate of a slide. So this slide I have here, if I want to make a copy or a duplicate of this slide, all I have to do is right click on the slide. In the options, I will just come here and select duplicate slide, and then it will create the same slide for me. So the copy or the duplicate will come under the original one. So this is the original one, and then this is the duplicate here. So this is how you use the duplicate feature to create a copy of a slide. So if you also have a slide and you want to remove it from your slide pane, you can delete it in two ways. You can delete it by right clicking on the slide you want to delete. In the options, come here and click on delete slide. You see that it has been deleted. Now we have only 4 slides here. Or if you want to delete it and you don't want to use the right clicking method, you can simply select the slide and hit the delete button on your keyboard and it will delete it for you. So this is how you delete your slide in your presentation. In this lesson, we've looked at how to create a presentation and how to save the presentation using the save as option. So one thing I also want to talk about is when you are creating a presentation, it is always important to come here on the quick access toolbar and then hit the save button to save your work so that you don't lose all that you've done. Or you can hit the Ctrl+S on your keyboard to save the work. And we also looked at how to insert a template, and then we also looked at the layout, and then we looked at how to work with the slides by adding a new slide, by creating a duplicate, and by deleting a slide if you don't want the slide. So I hope you found value in this lesson. Make sure to check the description of this video to join our live Q&A session. Thanks for watching. Bye.